on. But this time, let's have an intermission number coming from Mr. Daryl Chavez. Palakpakan po.
I was younger than before. I never needed anybody's help anyways. But now those days are gone. I'm not so self-assured. I'm not afraid. Open up the door. Help me if you can. I'm beating down, and I do appreciate you being right. Help me if you can. Won't you please, please help me? And now my life has changed. I'm self-assured. I'm not decided long enough before. But every now and then I was so insecure. Else down everybody never died before. Help me, you can. I'm feeling down, and I do appreciate you being right. Help me if you can pick up the ground. Won't you please, please help me? So much younger than before. I never needed anybody's help me anyway. But now those days are gone. I'm not so self-assured. Not everybody like I wanted up. Not help me if you can. I'll be laid around, and I do appreciate you being right. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help? Maraming salamat po.